Think passing SAP certifications is all about memorizing transactions and upgrade procedures? Not anymore. The new SAP Certified SAP S/4 HANA Conversion and SAP System Upgrade exam uses AI-driven role plays that test how you respond to real project situations, not just whether you know the theory. Many candidates understand the technical concepts, but struggle when they're asked to make decisions under pressure. In this video, you'll work through realistic SAP conversion and upgrade scenarios similar to those used in the exam and see how experienced consultants approach them. You'll practice tasks involving conversion planning, code analysis, data migration, system monitoring, and upgrade decision-making. If you're preparing for an SAP S/4 HANA conversion role, this will give you a clear picture of what the exam actually feels like. Let's start with the first scenario. Scenario 1, SAP S/4 HANA Conversion Readiness Assessment. You are assigned to a customer preparing for SAP S/4 HANA conversion. Management wants to know whether the existing ECC system is technically ready for conversion. The AI interviewer starts, how would you assess system readiness before beginning the SAP S/4 HANA conversion? Best response, I would begin with a complete technical readiness assessment. First, I would verify the current SAP release and maintenance level. Next, I would analyze custom code impacts and identify objects requiring remediation. I would review add-ons and business functions for compatibility with SAP S/4 HANA. I would evaluate database requirements, sizing considerations, and infrastructure readiness. I would also identify simplification items that could affect business processes after conversion. Finally, I would document risks, dependencies, and remediation actions before project execution. AI cross-question, why is custom code analysis critical before conversion? Best response, custom developments may reference obsolete tables, transactions, or data structures. If unresolved, these issues can cause conversion failures, functional disruptions, or post-go-live instability. Early code analysis reduces project risk and accelerates remediation planning. AI cross. Question, what is the biggest mistake organizations make during readiness assessments? Best response, many organizations focus only on technical prerequisites and underestimate custom code impacts, integration dependencies, and business process simplification requirements. A complete readiness assessment must address all three areas. Exam. Tip, the AI often evaluates risk awareness and planning methodology rather than simple technical definitions. Scenario 2, system upgrade planning. A customer plans a major SAP system upgrade. Downtime must be minimized because the system supports global operations. AI question, how would you approach upgrade planning? Best response, I would start by defining the target SAP release and validating compatibility requirements. Next, I would create a detailed upgrade strategy including technical prerequisites, testing cycles, backup procedures, and rollback plans. I would identify critical business periods and schedule downtime accordingly. I would establish sandbox, development, quality assurance, and production upgrade sequences. Finally, I would execute multiple test upgrades before production deployment. AI cross-question, why perform multiple test upgrades? Best response, test upgrades validate procedures, estimate downtime, identify technical issues, and improve execution efficiency before production deployment. AI cross-question, how do you reduce upgrade risk? Best response, risk is reduced through comprehensive testing, backup validation, change management controls, stakeholder communication, and documented fallback procedures. Exam tip, many SAP scenario-based questions focus on minimizing operational risk while maintaining project timelines. If you're preparing for SAP performance-based exams and want realistic SAP exam simulation practice, visit pass4success.com. Practicing real SAP scenario-based questions is one of the fastest ways to build consultant-level confidence before exam day. Scenario 3, data migration. During a conversion project, data inconsistencies are discovered in critical master data records. AI question, what actions would you take? Best response, I would first assess the scope and severity of data quality issues. Next, I would classify errors by business impact and identify root causes. I would coordinate with business stakeholders to cleanse and validate affected records. After correction, I would execute migration testing and reconciliation activities to verify data accuracy. Finally, I would document findings and implement controls to prevent recurrence. AI cross. Question: why is data validation important after migration? Best response: successful migration does not guarantee data accuracy. Validation confirms completeness, consistency, and business usability within SAP S/4HANA. AI cross question: what project risks arise from poor data quality? Best response: poor data quality can cause transaction failures, reporting inaccuracies, process disruptions, and reduced user confidence after go-live. Scenario 4. System monitoring after upgrade. An upgrade has been completed successfully, but users report performance degradation. AI question: how would you investigate the issue? Best response: I would begin by reviewing system monitoring metrics including workload statistics, database performance, memory utilization, and background job activity. Next, I would identify bottlenecks and compare performance baselines before and after the upgrade. I would analyze application logs, system alerts, and user transaction behavior. After identifying root causes, I would implement corrective actions and validate performance improvements. AI cross question: why compare pre-upgrade and post-upgrade metrics? Best response: baseline comparisons help isolate changes introduced during the upgrade and speed up root cause analysis. AI cross question: what is the goal of post-upgrade monitoring? Best response: to ensure system stability, performance optimization, and uninterrupted business operations. Scenario 5. Cloud migration decision support. A customer is considering moving SAP workloads to a cloud environment during their S/4HANA transformation. AI question: what factors should be evaluated before migration? Best response: I would evaluate infrastructure readiness, security requirements, compliance obligations, integration dependencies, system sizing, operational costs, and disaster recovery capabilities. I would also assess business objectives and long-term scalability requirements. AI cross question: how does cloud migration support SAP transformation initiatives? Best response: cloud environments can improve scalability, operational flexibility, infrastructure management efficiency, and future innovation opportunities. AI cross question: what migration risk should consultants evaluate carefully? Best response: integration complexity and business continuity risks must be evaluated thoroughly to avoid disruption during transition. Today, you practiced real-world scenarios similar to those used in the certification exam. These are the kinds of consultant-level decisions the AI role-play format is designed to evaluate. Remember, the exam isn't testing memorization. It's testing your ability to think, decide, and act in real project situations. If you found this simulation helpful, continue with our advanced certification playlist for more hands-on scenarios and practice exercises. For additional AI roleplays and exam preparation resources, visit pass4success.com. Subscribe, keep practicing, and focus on mastering the process, not memorizing answers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next simulation.